Have you been to visit Casey at Coffee with My Sunshine? If you haven't, you need to go over there. She does some wonderful farmhouse decor, trash to treasure, some thrifting, and all in all, her channel is absolutely fabulous. She is hosting the Trash to Treasure Challenge with Yami, the Latina next door, who does home decor, DIYs, lifestyle, and more. Both of these ladies are amazing at what they do, and you'll get some fabulous inspiration from both of them. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra, and I'm at the Schwowin's Nest. This is a Trash to Treasure challenge. Casey and Yami have asked us to take something that we would normally throw in the garbage or recycle and make some beautiful home decor out of it. I've got two of these white vitamin bottles, and I'm just using my hacksaw and miter box to cut the tops off. Now I'm just going to take some painter's tape and put some random stripes all around these, and then I'm going to grab some paint and work some magic. I'm using Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color Serenity Blue, and I'm going to just paint all of the white areas with that color. I ended up doing 2 coats. Taking the painter's tape off of my projects is something that makes me feel like I'm opening a new Christmas gift or a birthday present. It's really exciting, and it never fails to amuse me. So I don't know if anybody else is out there like that, but it's really fun. I've got this big mess of baker's twine that I'm gonna go ahead and use for around the top. When I cut these off, the tops still stayed kind of ragged. I tried using some sandpaper, but the plastic doesn't sand down very well. So I'm gonna put 1 row along the top just so nobody hurts themselves, and then I'm gonna go down to the first color to make a little bit of a coastal look on these little containers. Once I started going along the side, I only used hot glue in a couple of spots on the way around, and that was enough to just hold this twine in place. They turned out really cute, and I styled them a couple of different ways. In this one, I've just got some greenery, and then I thought with Valentine's coming up, all of these pink florals would look really sweet. And you could also use these on your desk for some pens and some scissors and that sort of thing, office supplies. And I also found that in the bathroom, you could use them for makeup brushes, and these little cotton rounds fit perfectly in the small one. I love saving boxes, especially when they're good quality, they're unique shapes. This one's just really long and narrow, and it's going to be perfect for what I've got in mind. I have some of this wood grain shelf liner from the Dollar Tree that was left over from a different project, and I have just enough to cover this box. I'm just going to eyeball the measurements. I'm going to make sure that the wood grain is going across instead of up and down, because then it's going to make it look like a real wooden box. The only part of the box that I'm not going to cover is the bottom, because you won't see that, but I will be covering the inside too. I'm also going to use this first piece as a template to cut the second piece for the other side. Now these are longer than the side of the box, but I'm just going to wrap it around, and then I won't have to make additional cuts. The box is completely covered now, so I'm going to go ahead and decorate it, and I'm going to use this candle holder and an LED candle from the Dollar Tree. From my local Dollarama store, I'm going to use these two little pots that have sort of a granite or cement look to them, and they've got some boxwood in them. And then I'm going to add some lavender. I'm using my wire cutters to cut off some of the stems, and then I'm going to place them inside the boxwood plants and then also a couple of them around the candle. I really liked how all of these colors and the style of this was coming together. And so I styled it in my bathroom on a half wall shelf. And I love it so much that it's actually become a permanent home for it. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration to create some trash to treasure for your home. I'd like to thank Casey and Yami for hosting this challenge. If you are new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button, click the bell to get notified when I upload new content. Bye for now.